addicted to yogurt-covered pretzels. Hello, doots and dudettes. This one's going to be kind of long, so you're just going to have to get over it. The first thing that I want to talk about is, like Mother's Day. Me and my mom went like a lot of places, so there's going to be some clips from that in there, just something like that. First thing, we went to this Mexican restaurant, and there was this nerdy dude who came in with this like really hot girl, and she had her like baby, and it was just funny, and I had to get it on camera or whatever, so I like snuck the camera by this cup and just watch it. Here it is. So, Mom.
You're awful.
No.
You're terrible.
Well, not. They'll never know there's a camera on there. Check out the nerd and the mom.
He has stuff in his pocket. In his shirt.
Tell me when a Mexican comes over here. Okay. I know, it was really funny. And then next thing we did, we just went like on this road trip thing to Georgia, and we went to this weird town, and I think it was Edgefield, but like every corner of the street of this little town, there was a big turkey. Like, it was just a turkey. It was just random, and it had like words on it. It was painted all differently. It's just the randomest thing. It's really weird, and I know I have weird hand motions. Sorry about that. See all these turkeys? It's weird.
There's one right up there.
It's creepy. Look at that creepy building. Like, is that a church? And then there was all these like gypsy houses. Okay, well there's this thing called Highway 125, and there's all these gypsies who live there, and they have these ginormous houses that they have to stay out of for 7 years because they think it's haunted or something. And they have like really big houses. So here's some of those houses that freaks me out every time. Bam. And there's a store called As Seen on TV. It's actually called that. And it has all these like random things you've seen on TV, like, you know, ShamWows, of course, and whoopee cushions and all this random crap. And let's see, it has Snuggies, you know, for your dogs, for your iguanas, for your giraffes, for your gorillas, for your ostriches, you know, the usual. You know, I think they have some for llamas. They're almost out of stock. We should definitely buy those up before they run out of stock.
Come here again.
Okay.
We're having fun.
Silly straw. Butt face towel. Windy pins. Hey, Colt had one of those things.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get one. No. Oh, we're so immature.
We're having fun though.
Yeah, that's it. Great. Oh.
In the living room. Dining room.
Bra magic. Contouring bra. Strap perfect. Lady of Allure. Super hair comb. No? Hey, I've never seen these on TV before. Oh, darn. How clumsy of me. You need to get me one of these.
Yeah.
The golden one, though. Look, it even has flowers on it. I'm feeling...
Feel it.
Furry?
Feel it.
Those are the ones.
Feel the shoe.
Alright, I'm feeling the shoe. Feeling it. This girl right here. You know what she did? She chewed up my Kingdom Hearts bracelet. Get up. And she also chewed up my Live Love Live bracelet. She's an evil, devious little thing, let me tell you. I've been noticing you've gained some weight lately. You need to go on a diet. I mean, this is becoming an epidemic, okay? You're taking up your whole room. You can't even get in your doorway. Let's go, guys. Oh, another thing, I changed my room. I put these things up. They look pretty cool. They're like little panels of randomness. So, they're pretty cool. And I'll show you around. So that's my Live All the Live poster. There's my Michael Jackson. I moved my Kim Possible poster over here. I gotta put something over here. And there's all this crap. There's, Shun and Nun, Skunks in the Marsh, We've Got Nothing for You, Life of the Mind. All these really cool things. I have my reminder here to watch the OCD Project. Gotta remind myself. The Monkees. It's a really old 70s band. Smurf, Hazardous Mission, Just Ask, The Pelican Behind You. And all these, what are you, a drug addict? Finally, I'd like to congratulate and welcome the new Friday Doot, Tyler Adkins. Yay! Woo, 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 woo. Bye, Doots. Love you. Mwah.
Work with it. Oh, no. You look. You've got no head.